sounds like this, is that a good sound or a bad sound?
Bad sound.
Okay. If you hear this and you're still doing something, just stop. Okay, if you hear this grinder make this sound, it could be two things.
Oh, I'm wrong. I'm wrong.
They don't use it right? Okay.
Possibly.
Okay.
I'm wrong.
But the problem is either A, the brushes.
The brushes, okay.
When it's the brushes, you'll see like an electrical thing. In this case, it is not. It is the two springs. It feels like somebody must have dropped it. And it fucked up the teeth. So when it spins, it's kind of lopsided.
Unbalanced.
Yes.